third titration, right? So the titration is between
Oxalic acid.
oxalic acid and potassium. So here I have already prepared potassium permanganate solution. So in your question, what is the molarity given?
0.0.
Yeah. So the potassium permanganate, what I am going to provide to you is 0.02 molar concentration. Okay. And this one you are supposed to fill it in your burette. This one KMnO4 must be filled in your burette. Can I have it? Yes. So in this burette you are going to fill it with KMnO4 solution. So similarly, we have been provided with what?
Oxalic acid.
Right? I am not going to reveal the concentration of oxalic acid. Why? Because you have to calculate it, right? You have to do it. So this oxalic acid must be taken in in a conical glass using a pipette. Yes, using a pipette you are supposed to take 20 ml of oxalic acid into the conical glass. And here we are not supposed to add any indicator. We are not supposed to add
Any indicator.
Can anyone tell me the reason?
Itself it's an indicator.
Yeah, it is going to act as a self-indicator because it is already a colored solution. Yes, it is a colored solution. So for colored solution, there is no need to add any indicator. So it is going to act as a self-indicator. But in this particular titration, after taking 20 ml of oxalic acid into the conical glass, immediately you are supposed to add about 10 ml of sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, which has been provided to you. Am I clear? So 20 ml of oxalic acid plus 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid must be added into the conical glass, and immediately you have to titrate it against what? Potassium permanganate solution taken in burette. Right. So what could be the end point? Can anyone guess it?
90.
Actually, it will be colorless. Right. As soon as the titration is going to get start, it turns into pink. So immediately you get mistaken that you got your end point at 1 ml or 2 ml itself. But it is not. Because that pink color, whatever you are getting in by the addition of 1 ml or 2 ml, it is not going to sustain for more than 1 minute. Immediately it is going to disappear. Right. So instantly it appears pink, but after some time it is going to disappear. So you have to titrate till that point where you are going to get a permanent pale pink. Am I clear? You have to get permanent pale pink. That means the pink whatever you are getting as an end point, that should retain. That should be like that only. It should not get disappear. That becomes your end point. Right? And you have to continue with how many titrations? Three titrations. So first titration may be little bit more, but second and third it should be consecutive readings must be same. So till that point you will be continuing with your titration. So after titrations, just now I explained you on the board, right? So how to go with the calculation part, how to calculate the molarity, and how to calculate the amount. That is the question itself, right? What is the question? Estimate the So by using the formula, which formula are we going to use it? Molarity formula. First M1V1 by N1 is equals to M2V1. Right. After getting the molarity, we will be applying it in the next formula. Molarity is equals to what? 1000 by volume M. There accordingly, if the question is asked for 1000 ml, we will be getting one answer. If the question is asked to calculate for 500 ml, you will be calculating for 500. If it is for 250, for 250 you will be calculating. If it is asked for 100 ml, you will be calculating for 100 ml. Is everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead and fill your burettes and titrate accordingly.